Danke, Herr Kollege. Frau Kollegin Jill Evans.
Thank you, President. I don't have to tell colleagues here that there's a huge debate in the UK on its future membership of the EU, and this is a crucial time when decisions have to be based on the needs and the wishes of the people we represent. I represent Wales, which, unlike the UK, is a net beneficiary of EU membership. We receive high levels of funding because of our weak economy, marginalised by successive UK governments. Our economy would suffer even more if cuts were made to the EU budget. But I'd like to come back to the issue of employment that the Commissioner mentioned in his closing remarks. To create jobs and growth, Wales has to work in close partnership with other EU nations. Like them, we have ideas and we have potential. We want a national powerhouse for green energy, focused on our own energy needs and reinvesting in the Welsh national interest. No country can be insulated from the economic crisis. We can build the economy, but a really solid commitment to create jobs is essential.
Danke vielmals, Herr Kollege Verhofstadt.
Very short. If Mr. Šefčovič, you want an agreement on the two-pack, I want an agreement on the two-pack, but you have to make a step towards the Parliament. And if you don't do that, you don't find a majority here. That's a problem. And you know already 6 months what the problem is, because 6 months ago we voted with a majority of more than